SHHH, and today we got Mara, and we are at White at the Creek. But yeah, we had Chili's, and we'll be back when our food is here. So what is it? That's some good, I think this is dragon tea. Let's go.
Got Dr. Pepper.
Oh, good?
Yeah.
This sauce is good. You like this sauce, dragon sauce? It's, honey barbecue.
I want to try this. It's ketchup. It tastes good.
That's my tomato sauce.
It's good.
What? This? What's that one? Are you going to be yours?
Yeah. It's a little hot.
Quiet on the creek. Or not. I don't like this national vibe. It's too seasoned. What I did was egg over there and I'm gonna get them food. I have to use that. They're too seasoned. They got too much salt.
Have you ate it before?
Huh?
Have you ate it before?
Yeah, they want to just season.
Very soft. Good.
I think this black mango is good.
They be over here. I rate it. I'm about to try the chicken. That chicken
That's some
is
good
still
chicken.
hot.
That chicken is good.
This barbecue sauce on the chicken is good. I got cross-sided. I give it. I give it.
6, 7.
I give it like. I give it a 9 out of 10.
9, 10.
It's because of cheese and the mozzarella tastes like straight meat.
Nope. Damn. Wait, what that?
The cheese flow is good though.
At least gotta go back.
What are these called?
Chicken tenders, you don't like them?
No.
You can just
Yes, ma'am.
I get regular, but I heard it's too salty.
Too salty, okay.
Yeah. Can I get plain ones?
2 plain ones?
Yeah.
I got you.
Even though I broke it right here. Okay. Okay, do it. Oh, there's water. Wow. What? These are called honey chicken bites.
I highly recommend the honey chicken bites.
They are good. It's the sauce.
Huh?
It's the sauce. You never have macaroni sauce? You don't like it?
It's good, but like. I thought you was putting that in your ranch.
Good. It's probably good though. I never get these good either. What color? They're not bad, but
Why everybody's food steaming?
they got the skillet stuff. Come here, nothing. I don't even want to see this on my plate. Give me nothing. Sorry.
That's it.
Oh, it's good. I use it.
Well, we did a TikTok on her account. Go check it out.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Chicken's easy.
All the chicken is good.
Wow.
Good work on the
I didn't went to like a big bag. Now that's something.
Yeah. Dragon fruit tea. Ooh, that was good as fuck.
You done?
Wow. You said to me, mamacita?
All this chicken. Why you tell me this shit? What is wrong with you?
Wow. Why is it free? But I remind you today, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna rate it a 5.
Why? Why?
I didn't really like these. I should have got burgers. Hey, burgers, give us burgers. Oh, Michael? Oh, you should have got burgers. I didn't like the mashed and hot. My chicken was good though. So I got it.
You don't get more.
Yeah, my phone is cute, it is, but it should have came out good. First time. It should have been nasty. The first time. If I wanted my food nasty, I would have made it myself. But nice little experience, you know. I give it a 6 because my chicken was good. What you got to drink?
I got a Dr. Pepper baby. And it's good.
Dang. But that's the end of the video, y'all. Oh, Frankie.
Big friend.
Frankie.
Yeah. She poisoned my food, y'all.
Quad on the creek.